recording right there. It's recording.
I know it's gotta be funny. But anyway,
Yeah. The Washingtons and Friends.
yeah, it was a girl the
Hey.
other day. She had a big ass for her, y'all. I'm not even playing. Like her hair, it was running from her face. I'm like, oh my god, what's wrong with you? Smell like corn chips.
In bleach water. Woo. And then I'm in the store the other day, 7-Eleven to be exact. By the counter, this lady got some stinky twists.
Very stinky. Air freshener.
I mean, had the baby with a little dingy shirt. The baby had popcorns in his head.
Oh wow.
Baby had no hair on the side and stuff. So I'm like, okay, if the baby ain't got no hair on the side, why don't you brush his baby hair down?
Brush
But
it
then I
down a little
look,
bit, you know, it
I'm
looks
like,
obvious.
I'm like, dang,
I
the
know,
baby
yeah.
got length all right here. So the baby ain't even got hair there. Oh, hold on.
That's just how she's depressed already because the baby looking like that. That
Right,
make no
her
sense.
stinky twist.
Stinky twist. Smell like
Really?
sardines.
Like
And hot sauce.
But all right, done joking. About saying sometimes.
Encourage yourself.
Without saying, yeah, encourage yourself.
Yeah.
Like in Ashley, the Washingtons and Friends. Soon to be. And for years. I have some little kids running around, about 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, get out.
So I'm just gonna be the friend on the side.
Yeah,
That's me,
friend of
Tyra.
family. We're all gonna be living together. We're doing good. Well, I don't think she's gonna live with us. She's gonna do nasty.
Get out.
Yeah. So here we go with
We singing for the Lord.
encourage for the Lord. Singing,
Oh, bless you.
encourage yourself. Singing for the Lord. Amen.
Amen.
So I'm gonna start. Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Sometimes you have to speak victory during bad days. And no matter how you feel, speak the word and you will. Speak of yourself and catch yourself in the Lord. Oh, 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 sound new. You have to speak a word over yourself. Depression is all around, but God is present help. Oh, the enemy created walls, but remember, giants they do fall. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord. As I minister to you, oh, I minister to myself. Like